Dear students, today in this video lecture, I will be discussing first chapter of class 6th NCERT. This is our second lecture. In this lecture, we will be discussing sources of food. Where does we get the food items? So, the places or the living organisms from which we obtain food are known as sources of food. We obtain food ingredients from two sources, that is plants and animal source. First of all, we will see plant source. In plants, we get vegetables, fruits, grains, etc. Plants as a source of food. Plants are one of the sources of food. They produce their own food with the help of sunlight, so they are known as producers. Several parts of plants are used as food, like roots, stem, flowers, fruits, leaves, seeds, etc. We can see different examples of different parts of plants. Like roots, we have radish, carrot, turnip. These are our food items. In the second, we can see stem. We have examples of stem, potato, sugarcane, etc. These are the stem which we use to eat as our food. Third one is flower. We are using rose for making sharbat making, cauliflowers, etc. Fruits, we have ample amounts of food in our nature, like mango, apple, grapes, banana, etc. Leaves which we eat as edible part of plants are spinach, cabbage, etc. For seeds, we eat wheat, rice, maize, etc. You can see in the pictures we are having fruits. Next is mustard. Mustards are the seeds of our food. Some plants have two or more edible parts. Seeds of mustard plants gives us oil and leaves are used for making vegetable. Now, can you think of two or more parts of a single plant used as food? You can see mustard seeds here and the mustard oil is also there. Now, there is one activity of sprouted grains. So, what is sprouted grains? There is one activity in which we will learn how to sprout different seeds which are good source of protein. First of all, you have to follow some steps for getting sprouted grains. Take some dry seeds of moong or chana. You can take any seeds. Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water and leave it for 1 day. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Then wrap those seeds with a piece of wet cloth and set it aside. The next day you will observe a white structure appear on the seeds. This is how we can get sprouted grains. You can see the sprouted grains of moong and chana. Now the next source is animal source. Animals are the another source of our food. Animals cannot prepare their food by their own, so they depend on others. So they are called consumers. They provide us milk, meat, eggs. Cows, goats, buffaloes are some common examples of animals which gives us milk. Milk and milk products like butter, cheese, cream and curd are used all over the world. Also there are food items like chicken, pork, beef and such other which comes from animal. We have animal source like dairy products, meat and poultry. From dairy products we get milk and cheese. From meat and poultry we get eggs and fish, chicken. What are milch cattle? We obtain milk from cow, goat and buffalo. The animals which give us milk are known as milch cattle. Milk as source. Different food items can be prepared from a single food. For example, from milk we get dairy products. You can see in the flow chart like from milk we are getting butter, cream, cheese and curd. Other products we are getting from animals, like whereas we obtain eggs from hen, duck, etc. From eggs we can make omelette, egg bhurji, etc. Also we get meat from hen, goat. Now the turn for assignments. So what you have learned can be Analyze from the assignment. What are the sources of food items? You have to name them. Second one is name 5 plants and their parts which we eat. Thank you.